Hello, my shining stars. Welcome back to the channel Kids Learning Lounge by Angel. CH. CH is a digraph. This is not a blend. This is digraph. This is a digraph because when C combines with H, it makes one sound. I told you in my earlier videos when two letter combines and make one sound, that is known as digraph. Di means two, graph means letters. Yes, C H ch. C H ch. C H ch. Can you just recognize this picture? Chair. Chair. Chicken. 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 Cherry. Cherry. Cheese. Cheese. Chalk. Chalk. Remember this. This is not a blend. This is digraph because it makes one sound. CH makes sounds ch, ch, ch.